Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying indexing and analytics so your results mean something. First, check site, your domain. Com to see indexed pages. Once done, add and verify your site in Google Search Console and submit sitemap. XML. Make sure Google Analytics or GA4 is installed across the site to measure traffic. Without it, you'll lack context. These steps are quick but essential because they let you query performance data and see real ranking signals rather than guessing from isolated pages. Once your accounts collect data, use Search Console's performance report to find real ranking positions. Filter by query or specific page to isolate intent. Look at average position, impressions, and CTR across the last 28 to 90 days to spot trends and export the list. Then cross-check high-priority queries with a reliable third-party rank checker to confirm live SERP placement and featured snippets. This confirms whether position changes are persistent or transient due to personalization or localization. Now refine and keep monitoring. Update titles, metas, and content to match query intent and rerun Search Console checks weekly to watch position, impressions, and CTR shifts. Make incremental on-page and technical fixes, then measure impact over 2-6 weeks. If rankings suddenly drop, troubleshoot immediately by checking Search Console for manual actions and crawl or indexing errors. Test site speed and mobile usability, and ensure no unexpected noindex tags. Resolving those usually restores ranking within search cycles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.